Area and perimeter, 7th chapter. Okay, just take out your textbook. See the screen. So what is area and perimeter? What are the topics are there? Let us see once. Definition of perimeter, definition of area, right angle triangle, right angle isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, scalene triangle, Heron's formula. Perimeter and area of different triangles, rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus, circle, circumference. These are all the topics. So first, what is the meaning of area and perimeter? We will see. Perimeter is nothing but surrounded area, surrounded distance. Area is nothing but enclosed distance. That means the length of boundary of a closed figure. See here. Suppose if I draw a rectangle, boundary we have to see. Means from this one, this one, this one. All this total. The length, breadth, length, breadth, length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Boundary. The length of the boundary. Area in the sense, the magnitude measurement of the region enclosed by the closed figure. Magnitude in the sense, occupancy. So this one is the area, occupancy. This is the area, and this measurement is the perimeter. And units of area and perimeter, area is square will come for area. For perimeter, it will not come, just units. So 1 square meter, 10,000 square centimeters, 1 acre. So these are the points you can see.
Sir, what is the page number, sir?
152. 152. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, so the different figures. Right angle triangle first. Right angle triangle. Right. So generally we have different triangles. First ones I will tell you about the triangles. So there are 6 types of triangles we have, according to sides and according to angles. According to sides, you can say equilateral triangle and scalene triangle, isosceles triangle. And according to angles also we have right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. These are the basic triangles. Sometimes we will get different triangles. What is that? Right angle isosceles. This is a special case. Right angle isosceles. Right angle isosceles in the sense, right angle means one angle is equal to 90 degrees. This is the 90. And isosceles means 2 sides are equal. Now both together means 2 sides equal and right angle. Oh, we'll do like this. Here ABC I will take. Here 90 degrees I will take. This and these sides are equal. I will take A and A. This is called right angle isosceles triangle. An equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal. We'll take A, and A. And this is the height of the equilateral triangle. And the scalene triangle, all are different. This is A, this is B, this is C. Now right angle you got acute angle. So acute angle in the sense all angles are less than 90 degrees. Right here 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees if I take, that becomes acute angle. Obtuse, one angle is greater than 90. Suppose here 100 degrees, here 40 degrees, and here 40 degrees. Like that. So these are about the right angular triangles. Now let's open that. So perimeter of right angle triangle. The right angle in the sense 90 degrees. Generally, whichever triangle it is, will take sum of all the sides. That is the perimeter. Chaitanya, are you there? Chaitanya. Chaitanya. Chaitanya, please unmute. Chaitanya.
Sir.
Depend on no?
Okay, sir.
Perimeter of any triangle is equal to sum of all the sides. Area of any triangle of base into height. This is the basic formulas. Base into height. Okay. For any triangle, we depend upon these two only. Okay, no?
Okay,
so here,
sir.
right angle triangle, base is given and height is P. And hypotenuse, this is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, sum of the squares of these two sides. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, right angle isosceles triangle. Just now I explained for you. Two sides equal and one angle is 90 degrees. That is called right angle isosceles triangle. Next, we want this hypotenuse. How do we get? No, just do square of this one and that one. A square plus a square. You will get 2a square. So separate the root. This is cancelled. You will get root 2a. Hypotenuse. This is called hypotenuse. And area. Area just now we discussed of base into height. Here base and height same, a and a. So we will take of a square. This is the formula you have to remember here. So basic formula is of base into height, sum of the other sides. And perimeter. A plus root 2a. A plus a 2a. 2a plus root 2a. A is common. 2 plus root 2a. Perimeter. Hypotenuse, perimeter, area. You have to get all these formulas, Chaitanya. Okay. Pawan. Pawan?
Sir,
Okay. Have you received any call from Akshar Nanu? Pawan. Pawan, please unmute and talk. Pawan, unmute.
Sir.
Amma. Have you received any call from Akshar?
no, sir.
Last time you gave your number, no, to me?
Yes, sir, I gave, but I didn't receive call, sir.
Okay, fine. So equilateral triangle, you see, children. So how do we get this all formula? Perimeter, sum of all sides. Area of base into height. So first two, a plus a plus a. A plus a plus a, how much, Chaitanya? A plus a, how much? Chaitanya. A plus a, how much? Chaitanya, are you busy in any work? Pawan, can you tell? A plus a, how much?
3a, sir.
3a. So perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3a. Height. Now I will do how to find height of an equilateral triangle. I'll open the screen. These are very much important now for you, these formulas. Please concentrate. Take the equilateral triangle. A. Let's draw a line. This is the height. This you want now. Right angle triangle. Now we go for the right angle triangle rule. That is, if you want this, we have to add this one and this one. If you want this height, you have to subtract. You want this pink color. Now you should subtract. I will write ABC. You want this. This I will take as H, and this becomes A by 2. H square plus A by 2 square is equal to A square. That is the rule in right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, A square plus B square is equal to C square. Here A is H, B is A by 2, C is A. Next, H square plus A square by 4 is equal to A square. A square by 4 transpose, it becomes minus A square by 4. 4 you multiply, 4A square minus A square by 4 is 3 by 4A square. That is H square value. Now Hi1 shall take the square root. Root separate for all. Square cancel. Root 4 value 2. This is the height of the equilateral triangle. Please take the screenshot, children. How to get height of the equilateral triangle? I have done now. Please take the screenshot.
Done, sir.
Okay. Pawan, you also. Now, area of equilateral triangle I will do here. Area. Area of equilateral triangle. Formula of base into height for any triangle. Here base value A, height just now I got root 3 by 2A. 2 2s are 4, root 3 into 1, root 3. Root 3 by 4, A into A square. Please take the screenshot. Okay now? Children. Pawan and Chaitanya, please take the screenshot and respond to me.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now next formula. Equilateral triangle. Now scale and triangle. Scale and triangle, we have to remember all are different sides, A, B, C. Perimeter we will get. And area, here we should take semi-perimeter. It's totally different. We shall remember. If all are different sides, S into S minus and S minus B and S minus C, and semi-perimeter, S value A plus B plus C by 2. Okay. Height will not be here. No need to find. And Heron's formula, the same we can say the Heron's formula. Heron's formula in the sense S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. And S value is A plus B plus C by 2. Next. This is the relationship between the angles and their corresponding sides. In a triangle, this is not much necessary. You can skip it. Now, please check this box. Everyone should get this box. Check this all of you, Chaitanya and Pawan. First, scale and triangle. This is the formula. And equilateral triangle area. This one. This is the height. isosceles triangle and right angle triangle and isosceles right angle triangle. Please check these formulas. These are very much important in further proceedings. Based on these formulas, we shall move on.
Sir, should we take screenshot, sir?
You have textbook, no?
Yes, sir.
You no need. Pawan will take. If anything I do, you take the screenshot. Okay. These formulas you have
Okay,
to learn.
sir.
Next, yeah, see here, area of triangle. Area of triangle of base into height. The base and height of a triangle are 6 and 3. Half into 6 into 3. What is the answer? 3 3s are how much? What is the answer? 9 square centimeters. Okay, no? Arendt's formula S into S minus B into S minus C. Now, based on that formula, see how to try, children. This question number 5. I'm just zooming. Yes, question 5, you please see. If the side of an equilateral triangle, side is given, equilateral triangle, area is given, area or root 3 by 4 a square, this is the formula only, and the altitude of equilateral triangle root 3 by 2a. Now your work, question 5 and question 7, Chaitanya. Chaitanya,
Sir.
question 5 and 7. Pawan, are you there? Pawan.
5 and 7 should we do, sir?
Yeah. Pawan, are you there, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, question 5 and 7, please try. Okay. Try and respond to the chat box. Hope you can't hear me.
Okay, sir.
Right, children, I'm doing on the board. Please check, Nana. Question number 5 and 8. Okay, Pawan, very good. Please check. Fifth question, side is given A. A is equal to 6 centimeters. Then perimeter. Perimeter 3A. 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18 centimeters. And question 7. A value 4 centimeters. And area root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 into 4 power 2. 4 power 2 means 4 2 times we have to write. So answer 4 root 3 centimeters square. Okay. Children, please check your answers. Chaitanya and Pawan, please check your answers. Okay, no? Okay, now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next question. Tenth question, you please say, children. length of hypotenuse is given. Length of hypotenuse. No, we have to find the length. Area of isosceles right angle triangle is given as 32 centimeters square. We'll do it now. The question is like this. Area of right angle isosceles triangle. Shortcuts I'm writing 32 centimeters square. But we have area of right angle isosceles triangle formula of a square. Formula is of a square. Is equal to 32. Of you transpose, you will get 2 by 1, 64. A is equal under root 64 is 8 to 8 aids are 64 centimeters. So what is asked here? Hypotenuse is asked. Hypotenuse formula. Just now we have discussed A root 2. Answer 8 root 2 centimeter. Please take a screenshot. Chaitanya and Pawan. Please take screenshot, children.
Sir, Namaste, sir.
Okay, sir.
Wish you happy Mathematics Day.
Thank
You
you.
are in the class, huh? Okay.
Next question. Let's go for the next question, children.
Sir, 11th one, sir.
Yeah, 11th.
Sir, find the length of the hypotenuse of the right isosceles triangle whose area is 961 centimeters square.
Yeah. So just now we see in the formula of a square is equal to 961. A square is equal to 961 into 2 by 1. How much we will get? 1922. 1922 children. But do we have the root for? Just check out the square root, no? The question is given wrong. Okay, now just let us skip this. Okay, don't worry about this question. Right, children. Chaitanya. Chaitanya, are you there, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please read this 5 formulas. I will ask you after 5 minutes, both of you.
Okay, sir.
If I say scale and triangle, you have to say these 3 boxes. Nomenclature in the sense what are the letters A, B, C sides. S is the semi-perimeter. You have to say this, and this symbol is called area. Like this, we write no area. It's all areas only. These all areas, and these are perimeters. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, after figure 1 column there, no, sir. What is that, sir?
Nomenclature means letters indication.
Okay, sir.
Our initial we have no like that. What is A, what is B, like that. Nomenclature means. Okay, no? Pawan.
Okay, sir.
Pawan, are you there, ma? Pawan.
Yes, sir.
Please read this. Now 6:20
Okay,
at
sir.
6:25 I will ask Nano. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Chaitanya, tell me.
Sir.
Got it?
Okay, sir.
Ready. Now you must on the camera because I have to see now while asking the formulas. Okay, very good. Okay, Chaitanya.
Okay, sir.
Say about equilateral triangle.
Sir, equilateral triangle, sir.
Area, perimeter.
Area. Okay, sir. Area for equilateral triangle is equal to triangle 1/2 into A into H, sir.
Actually, that is the rule. But what is the original formula?
Original formula is square root of 3/4 A square, sir.
Perimeter.
Sir, perimeter 3A, sir. A into A into A.
Okay, very good. Right angle, isosceles triangle, area and
Sir,
perimeter.
for isosceles triangle, area is 1/4 into breadth into height into square root of 4A square minus B square, sir.
That is isosceles. I am asking right angle isosceles.
Right angle isosceles. Okay, sir. Last one. Sir, 1/2 into A is equal to 1/2 A square. 1/2
Okay.
A square, sir. Area.
Very good. Right. So let's do.
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
This Chaitanya is not yet ready, I think so. Sorry, this Pavan is not yet ready. Let's do some more examples, Nana. We do have some more time. And yeah. Let's do Chaitanya,
Sir?
open page 161, please.
Okay, sir.
161 in your textbook.
Sir, class is still maths class is until
30 more.
30 or
is 25.
35, sir.
Nana? Chaitanya?
Class is until 30 or 35, sir.
35, then 40 you have physics class.
Okay, sir.
For 10 minutes. And Chaitanya, open 161. Here I
Open,
don't
sir.
have textbook. I didn't take the screens. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus there. Please check once. Chemistry no, today after maths, not physics.
Okay, sir.
And there, or else you can see page 162, one small box is there.
Yes, sir.
That
Triangle.
box you have to get it now.
Formula. Okay, sir.
Rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus, area and perimeter. Rectangle and square are very familiar.
Sir, you
to
did not change the page, sir.
Yeah, is here the pages are closed. That's what I'm asking you to open. Today it took only 5 pages. Okay. That's what. You please take your textbook. Okay, no? I'll write on the board. You have textbook no anyway. I'll write on the board.
Okay, sir. I have my textbook open only, sir.
Rectangle.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Having, sir.
Square.
Parallelogram. Rhombus.
Rhombus. So rectangle is very familiar for you. And square is also right from 4th and 3rd class you are learning. L will take, B will take, here S will take. And area, perimeter. Area is length into breadth and perimeter 2 times length plus breadth. And here square area, side square and perimeter 4 of side. And whereas parallelogram is similar to the rectangle only, but angle is not 90 degrees. Okay. And area we can take, actually AH we will say, but we will take as BH. This is the base into height, no? This is the base B and this is the height of a parallelogram. And the perimeter as usual, like rectangle, 2 of A plus B. This side, A is the side. And rhombus is similar to the square, but diagonals are not equal.
Okay,
That's the
sir.
difference. And we
It's
we
like
take,
a diamond shape, sir.
kite also we can tell. This is the diagonal 1 and this is the diagonal 2. So for rhombus, only rhombus, we define the area according to the diagonals of diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 and Again, square and rhombus perimeters are same. Okay, that's what square and rhombus are similar. Rectangle and parallelogram are similar. Perimeters are same. You can see these two perimeters are same, no? And these two perimeters are same. Okay, now please learn this box, Chaitanya. Pavan, what about you? Did you get first table?
Some I got, sir.
Please learn. Chaitanya, you learn this second table, no? Okay, now. Why is the audio is fluctuating like? Chaitanya?
Sir?
If you get these formulas, we shall move. Pavan, please take the screenshot. Just I'm offing this.
I took, sir.
Okay, next, I open another page. Chaitanya,
Sir?
page 162. Please read question number 1.
Sir, the length and breadth of a rectangular field are 8.2 centimeters and 4.5 centimeters respectively. Its area is equal to.
Second question also, please read.
Okay, sir. The perimeter of a rectangle is 6x centimeters. If the length is double and the breadth, if the length is double the breadth, then
If
the
the
area
length
is
is double the breadth, length is
Yes,
double
sir,
the breadth.
double the breadth.
Length is equal to 2 times
Two
of
breadth.
breadth.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no? Then what is asked
Then the
here?
area is, sir.
Please try these two sums, Pavan and Chaitanya. Please try these two sums, Nana, both of you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Chaitanya, today our network is not good. Your voice is breaking.
Sir, not me, sir. Pavan, sir.
Pavan voice, that is.
Yes, sir.
Pavan, you have poor network, Nana. Please try these sums. Second sum I will tell. First sum you can try now. We have only 2 minutes. You have to do fastly, Chaitanya. First sum, anyways, you know the answer. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Just multiply these two. 8.2 into 4.5 centimeters square. And what about second sum? Do you have any idea, Chaitanya, about second sum?
Sir, I think the answer is option B, sir.
Perimeter formula 2 of L plus B now.
Yes, sir. 2 into L plus B.
6x.
So,
Someone is playing behind you. Your brother,
yes, sir. Cousins came, sir. Cousins and my brother are playing.
Okay. 2 of L plus B is equal to 6x. L plus B is equal to 6x by 2 is equal to 3x. L plus B value 3x. L value 2b. Okay, now? L value 2b now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Write L value 2b here. 2b plus b is equal to 3x. 3b is equal to 3x. B is equal to x. If b is equal to x, L becomes 2x because 2 times no. Therefore, area is equal to L into B is equal to 2x into x, 2x power 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Great. Please take the screenshot, children. I'm scrolling down.
Can you bring your phone?
Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right, children. Here today your work is just learn the formulas. Tomorrow, anyways, you have the math class. I'll ask the formulas, children. And here I'm ending the class, right? And next class
Okay,
in
sir.
5 minutes, chemistry, children. Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.